Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I think it's always important to keep things natural. So that's why I really like this UpNature Clove Essential Oil. Now, I use this for a lot. Cloves is such a useful essential oils and it smells great. I use it in my candles. You could use it in mixing with body scrubs or hand lotions, soaps. I use it particularly for my homemade toothpaste. The reason why clove oil is so important for tooth care is it fights bacteria. It also reduces pain, so it's going to help with toothaches, gum irritations. It's just such a useful thing, and I personally love the taste of it. So I just mix this in with my homemade toothpaste, which is just a base of fluoride toothpaste, coconut oil, a few other healthy things for your teeth, and clove oil. And I absolutely love the quality of this. I think if you're someone who loves the smell of cloves, who's into putting essential oils into things, whether it's candles, soaps, body lotions, or toothpaste, I think this is a definite must-have in your medicine cabinet. And that's my point of view.